Hi everyone. I just wanted to come back and talk about my first build. I'm installing Windows right now. You guys can all see that. Well, I went with the motherboard Asus M5A97. I got the ATI Radeon 6870 graphics card. I know you NVIDIA fanboys are probably gonna leave some hate comments if if anybody even watches this. So I just want to tell you fuck off, I guess. Um, see what else I got. I just got AMD Entertainment RAM, two 4 gig sticks. I built all AMD just because I wanted just everybody in the fucking case to be on the same page. I, I mean, obviously I don't know shit about computers, but I felt like there might be an advantage to build all AMD. But yeah, it was my first build. Um, Went smoothly so far. Haven't had any issues. Uh, that's really about it. I don't really like all the LED lights on my case, but I mean, I can just unplug those. My side panel. I think I actually slept on my side panel because I found it all bent on my bed, and I don't know how I didn't notice that if I did, because that's steel digging into my back all night. But anyway, it's all bent up, and yes, there's a crack in the top right there, and I can't do anything about it because it won't bend back. But um, that's all I want to talk about, really. Well, um, see you guys later. Thanks for watching if you're still watching.